Yes lads, welcome back to another video. So today we are fitting a RamAir induction kit. Now I was going to do two separate videos of me fitting a turbo muffler delete and the RamAir induction kit, but my brother's fit his and he's got a standard intake and you literally cannot hear the difference at all. So I think I'm just going to go straight from a stock intake to both mods, and then the intake will be very loud, which I'll show you after we've fitted it. But we're going to head down to Jake's today at Northwest Customs because I need to chat with him anyway. I'm going to see if he'll let me use his space in order to do this this mod. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm there. Yes lads, so we've just got to Northwest Customs now. Jake's kindly letting me use the inside of his building to fit my induction kit. Even let me wash my car, it's looking pretty clean, so I'll show you guys. Literally it was the easiest thing to clean after it getting ceramic detailed, so I'll show you guys what it looks like now. I didn't even put any effort into it. It's just basically snow foam and then get the bits that you miss, but came out really good, so I'll show you that guys now, and then we'll crack on with the induction kit and the turbo muffler delete video.
Simple mods, stuff like all the stickers. So all the stickers on soundtrack cost 20 quid. Yeah. And it probably costs about £1.50. But we've got an avenue where we can get.
Right lads, so let's go through what we've got in this induction kit. So we've got the actual filter, literally just bolts with two bolts onto the it that goes through the heat shield. So this connects to the silicone hose at the back and actually goes through that big cage there, and then you've got your two holes where you can bolt your filter onto the front of it. I'm not really sure where these go, but I'm sure we'll figure it out as we go on into the video. Got the big heat shield which goes where your original airbox is. We have a turbo muffler delete, obviously, which I bought separate. We'll do that in this video as well. That goes onto your intercooler lines, and I'll show you that in a bit. We've got a big silicone hose, and I bought this separate because this with the kit with the RamAir was quite expensive, but I managed to get them separate, basically this separate with the intake for much cheaper, even though it's not got a RamAir sticker on it. It's exactly the same product. And then we've got another one of these seals. Again, we'll figure out where that goes on as we go through the video, but for now we'll crack on. Oh, and don't let me forget, we have your clips and screws and your rubbers that hold the probably holds that in place. So yeah, there's everything. Let's just get on with taking the original induction kit off, and then we'll go from there.
The world know that I'm in pain, heaven sake. We gon' do this every day. Can I please just get a break from all the fire? I'm fucking up my brain every day. Cycle starting to look the same, and I don't wanna be the one to leave you crying. I've been sure that it was steak on your plate, now I'm broken and afraid. Can I please just get a break, baby, I'm dying. Loving you was a mistake, you a snake. I was asleep, now I'm awake. I know you sick from all the pressure I'm applying. I used to pull up with flowers, you be fucking me for hours. Power is what you felt when I say baby, louder. Ain't sour, it's how these niggas feel cause they all cowards. And I back me a bad bitch, but I don't wanna be the one to leave you heartbroken. And this how I communicate, you know I'm soft spoken. Ay, when you was at your lowest, I was there so you can open. You could be with me, but you dead to me, you chosen. Baby, now I'm in my bag, yeah. I used to be cereal for dinner, now it's crab, yeah. I know these niggas mad, I'm up they on they ass, yeah. Thumb through 100 racks, I'm up they on they last, yeah. But still, I got this pain in my chest, but I still wish you the best. Recently, God's tryna test, put me through hell, but he blessed. Oh Lord, I won't let him get me. I pull up in a Bentley. Thank God I'm living life stress-free, but still, the world know that I'm in pain, heaven sake. We go through this every day. Can I please just get a break from all the fire? I'm fucking up my brain every day. Cycle starting to look the same, and I don't wanna be the one to leave you cry. I wish sure that it was steak on your plate. Now I'm broken and afraid. Can I please just get a break, baby? I'm dying. Loving you was a mistake. You a snake. I was asleep, now I'm awake. I know you sick from all the pressure.
Right, lads, so far we've got the full induction kit off. You can see the turbo bar there. Now the one thing I have to figure out, if you are doing the turbo elbow and you're changing it for a metal one, there's a T-bit that goes through there along with this air pipe. You clip that off, and as you can see down there, there's like three sort of clipping bits. And if you look at the new one, you can see 3 bits there. What you have to do is take it off and then turn it that way in order to pull it out. You can't just pull it straight, you have to turn it and it comes out like that. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you're doing this for yourself. Now down here, so you've got your turbo there, and down here you've got your intercooler piping. What we're going to do is take this unit off here that's got that ring clip on it. There's 3 Allen keys, and that is the turbo muffler, and we're going to replace it for this turbo muffler delete. So we'll go do that now while we've got enough space that we can work with, and then we'll stick the new induction kit on, and then we'll start it, take it for a road test, and see what it sounds like.
Ain't sour, it's how these niggas feel cause they all cowards. And I back me a bad bitch, but I don't wanna be the one to leave you heartbroken. And this how I communicate, you know I'm soft spoken. When you was at your lowest, I was there so you can open. You could be with me, but you dead to me, you chosen. Baby, now I'm in my bag, yeah. I used to be cereal for dinner, now it's crab, yeah. I know these niggas mad, I'm up they on they ass, yeah. Thumb through 100 racks, I'm up they on they last, yeah. But still, I got this pain in my chest, but I still wish you the best. Recently, God's tryna test, put me through hell, but he blessed. Oh Lord, I won't let him get me. I pull up in a Bentley. Thank God I'm living life stress-free, but still, the world know that I'm in pain, heaven sake. We go through this every day. Can I please just get a break from all the fire? I'm fucking up my brain every day. Cycle starting to look the same, and I don't wanna be the one to leave you cry. I wish sure that it was steak on your plate. Now I'm broken and afraid. Can I please just get a break, baby? I'm dying. Loving you was a mistake. You a snake. I was asleep, now I'm awake. I know you sick from all the pressure I'm applying. Bye.